Whew. Alright, I have another dress here. This one is from Icing Utopia, which is a brand that I like on Taobao. They make some really pretty, like, fantasy kind of dresses, but I thought this one was just so beautiful, like for summer or for spring. When I do classic or country, I just think of all the different ruffles and layers like this, and they really did so good on the pin tucks and the lace and the ruffles. They just did good. They did good. So this is not as heavy as the pink one from Kids Yo-Yo. This is the lightest of the long dresses that I'm trying now. And it opens in a cool way. It like buttons all the way down the front. If you have a cool underskirt that you actually want to show off, you can leave a good portion of the front open, which is what this was intended for. I might actually wear this weekend because we're going to, well, unless Corona kills the event, we're going to like an Alice in Wonderland themed tea party, like a high tea. Should be good. So yeah, you can like really leave it open high up. I think bare minimum you want to get it like to here, because again, if you have like a really cool underskirt you want to show, like, it's okay if it splits. Oh yeah, I didn't even mention, it can split on the side too, so there's a whole line of buttons here you can undo, all the way in the front, all the way here, and there's not one in the back. Buttoning 100 buttons, buttoning 100 buttons for you, buttoning all these buttons, buttoning all these buttons. What can you do except button all your buttons? Alright, so here it is, just worn normally. Okay, let's see how it is with the white whale. Oh gosh, oh my god, here we go. Yeah. Oh, I felt a button. Wait. I felt the button release. Okay, ready? Well, bam. Oh wait, this is way long. Oops. God damn, this petticoat is so long. And it's so heavy. Okay, hold up. Let me try tightening it with the actual tighteners. Or I'll just tie it in a knot. Whew. Okay. This is poofy. Oh my god. It's like you show up to you show up to me and you're just like, oh hello. But it's okay. Maybe not perfect for this dress. Might be good for future dresses. Yeah, a lot better. Still adds a good amount of poof, and now it's not completely poking out of the bottom. It's a lot of poof for a very long dress. That was the MeLikesTea. Here's the... Oh! I lied. The Bunnyhouse one does have a tag in it. Here's the Bunnyhouse one for comparison's sake. This feels a lot lighter overall, but it's still giving that poof. Still giving the poof. I kind of like how this one shapes a little bit more. Like the shape, how it rests. It's just like a little bit more, maybe a little bit more subtle. Which one do you guys like more? Last time I wore this dress, I actually wore it with this cool star underskirt. And maybe I'll do a video on some of my underskirts that I have. Oh my god, it finally came off the wall. We're gonna try Angelic Pretty. Really have not even put this one on yet. I love it. But yeah, I have not really worn this yet. This also has a built-in petty, which I will show you close up. I haven't really like adjusted the back yet. Sometimes you get to squeeze. Sometimes you gotta say please. Sometimes. And that's how you do it. Oh, it's actually kind of short. Yes. Older Angelic Pretty. Always a little bit short. In this case, I would probably wear a little underskirt just to give it just an inch or two more length. So let's see how badly this is Bunnyhouse. Let's see how much it sticks out on the bottom. Ooh, that's a good poof. Good amount of poof. Quite nice. Nice and light. Maybe the Bunnyhouse one can be for summer, and the MeLikesTea can be for winter. Now, MeLikesTea. MeLikesTea. Ooh, it definitely gives that bubble. Gives that bubble feeling. Ooh, there's so much happening here. Oh my god, there's too much. There's too much happening. I'm like, I know we all need boof, but oh my god. I think because this inner part is just really like whoosh, so much going on in the back. Alright. However, after like a full day of sitting, if you sit on it right, it kind of even out. Right now I kind of feel like it's like this, like it's all back here.